Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The Essential Travel Tips are destination for you today. It's must-know tips for sustainable travel adventures. Traveling is one of life's greatest joys, offering opportunities to explore new cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unique experiences. However, as tourism grows, so does its impact on the environment and local communities. Sustainable travel is about making choices that minimize our carbon footprint, support local economies, and preserve the natural and cultural heritage of the places we visit. By adopting eco-friendly travel habits, we can ensure that our adventures contribute positively to the world rather than harm it. From choosing greener modes of transportation and reducing plastic waste to respecting wildlife and supporting local businesses, every small action makes a difference. This guide will equip you with practical tips and insights to help you travel more sustainably, ensuring that your journeys are not only unforgettable, but also ethical and responsible. Let's embark on a journey towards a more sustainable future, one adventure at a time. 1. Choose eco-friendly transportation. Fly smart. Air travel has a high carbon footprint, so whenever possible, opt for alternatives like trains or buses. If flying is unavoidable, book direct flights to minimize fuel consumption. Fly with airlines that use carbon offset programs or fuel-efficient aircraft. Use public transport. Trains and buses have lower emissions per passenger than cars or planes. Explore destinations using bikes, scooters, or walking instead of taxis. In cities, opt for subways, trams, or shared rides over renting a private vehicle. Rent wisely. Choose electric or hybrid cars when renting. If using ride-sharing services, pick eco-friendly options. 2. Pack light and smart. Why packing light matters. Lighter luggage reduces fuel consumption in flights, buses, and cars. Carry versatile. Mix and match clothing to reduce the need for multiple outfits. Eco-friendly travel gear. Reusable water bottle, bamboo toothbrush, and solid toiletries. Reusable shopping bag to avoid plastic waste. Solar-powered charger for your devices. Collapsible coffee cup and reusable cutlery for takeout meals. 3. Stay in sustainable accommodations. How to choose eco-friendly lodging. Look for hotels with eco certifications. Stay at locally owned guest houses to support the community. Book accommodations that use solar power, water-saving measures, and waste management programs. Tips to reduce your environmental impact in hotels. Reuse towels and linens instead of requesting daily replacements. Turn off lights, AC, and electronics when leaving your room. Avoid using single-use toiletries provided by hotels. 4. Respect local cultures and wildlife. Cultural sensitivity research and follow local customs, dress codes, and traditions. Learn basic local phrases to communicate respectfully. Always ask before taking photos of locals, especially in indigenous communities. Responsible wildlife tourism. Avoid unethical animal attractions like elephant rides, tiger selfies, or dolphin encounters. Support ethical sanctuaries that prioritize animal welfare. Keep a respectful distance from wildlife and never feed animals. 5. Support local communities. Eat and shop locally. Dine at family-owned restaurants instead of global chains. Buy locally made souvenirs instead of mass-produced items. Attend local markets and food festivals to experience authentic culture. Support sustainable tourism businesses. Book tours with locally owned operators who invest in their communities. Stay in hotels that hire and fairly pay local staff. Participate in community-based tourism experiences like cultural homestays or farm visits. 6. Reduce waste and go plastic-free. Eliminate single-use plastics. Bring a reusable water bottle. Use a metal straw and reusable utensils to avoid plastic waste. Carry a cloth bag for shopping to avoid plastic bags. Say no to wasteful souvenirs. Avoid buying products made from endangered animals, shells, or coral. Choose handmade, sustainable gifts instead of mass-produced trinkets. 7. Offset your carbon footprint. How carbon offsetting works. Many airlines offer carbon offset programs where you can donate to tree planting or renewable energy projects. Use platforms like Gold Standard or Cool Effect to calculate and offset your travel emissions. Contribute to environmental projects. Join beach cleanups or conservation programs in the places you visit. Support eco-friendly NGOs that work on reforestation, marine protection, or community empowerment. 8. Travel slow and mindfully. Stay longer. Travel less instead of rushing through multiple destinations. Spend more time in fewer places. Choose eco-lodges in nature reserves and take time to enjoy the environment. Walk, bike, or use local transport. Walking or biking lets you experience the local atmosphere while reducing emissions. Public transport is cheaper, more sustainable, and an authentic way to explore. 9. Choose responsible activities. Eco-friendly tours. Book with responsible tour operators that prioritize sustainability. Choose wildlife safaris, hiking, or eco-dive tours with conservation efforts. Avoid harmful activities. Skip helicopter tours or speedboats that harm coral reefs. Don't support tourism that disturbs natural habitats. 10. Spread awareness and inspire others. Share your eco-friendly experiences. Post on social media about responsible tourism and eco-friendly destinations. Recommend sustainable businesses to fellow travelers. Leave positive reviews for eco-conscious hotels, restaurants, and tours. Encourage others to travel sustainably. Educate friends and family about ethical tourism choices. Support policy changes that promote sustainable travel. Have a nice trip.